In LA, Karma is growing up in a single dog household, so there's no buddy to show her the ropes.
Today, Karma's going on her first big play date with other dogs. Not only that, but bigger dogs than she is. So it's important that Karma socializes for a lot of reasons. One is her breed. She is a pit bull. Come on, Karma. Come on. And I do not want anyone to say to me she's fulfilling a stereotype.
Yes.
But also just because it's important for her to play with other dogs.
Yeah, that was so good.
You know, I can't be her playmate all the time.
They're visiting Adrienne's friend Christina,
I don't know if I should pick you up or not.
who is an experienced dog owner.
It's okay. It's okay.
So we opened the door and the dogs were going berserk. Ghost is a husky and he is a very big dog and she was extremely overwhelmed. In a few minutes, let her go.
Okay.
Ghost.
Hi, baby. Okay, how do you feel? You're doing so good. You want a treat?
Karma, she didn't cower, but I was expecting her to be berserk and like just start bounding and playing and gnawing on them.
I'm so proud of you.
Be gentle.
I was scared that Ghost was just gonna bound on top of her and not realize how big he is.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
You're okay.
Ghost.
It's okay.
Did you really have to jump over her?
You're okay.
Let her be a dog. She's not as fragile as she may look. Because if you continually pick her up when
Yeah, other dogs come.
the socialization won't work.
Yeah,
Because she thinks that if you're afraid, then she has to be afraid.
right. That's a good point.
This is.
One of the best pieces of advice was that when Karma is socializing, she could be nervous if I'm nervous. So I need to stay as calm as possible, which is a lot harder than I thought it would be.
Good girl. You got it, girl. Look at you. Look at you. You're fine. There you go. Look at that. No one died.
It's important for puppies to be exposed to new situations and other dogs between 8 and 16 weeks old, or they can become easily spooked when they're older.
Oh, bye, Ghost. Bye, Summer. Bye, Kitty. I hope that we can do this again, whether it's here or at our place or at the beach. I would love to hang out with their dogs, and they're great people.
And as first visits go, this turned out to be a pretty productive play date.